Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Kenneth Li, a pediatrician specializing in child development. As both a doctor and a parent, I completely understand the sleep challenges that parents with newborn babies may face. I'll be sharing some practical tips to help parents with babies to have sufficient and better sleep while ensuring that your baby is well taken care of. First and foremost, sleep is important for adults and children alike. For a child in particular, sleep is essential for their growth and development. When your child gets enough sleep, they are more alert, attentive, and better able to learn and remember new things. Good sleep positively affects their mood, emotional stability, and physical health. It also strengthens their immune system. As you can see, making sure your child gets the sleep they need is vital for their overall well-being. It is normal for children's sleep patterns to change as they grow. Newborns between 0 to 3 months need about 14 to 17 hours of sleep and usually wake every 3 to 5 hours for feeding. Spend the first few months understanding your baby's cues for sleep, easing into sleep, feeding, and play. You could try swaddling your baby to reduce startle reflexes, which can help them sleep better. However, do make sure that this is done safely and correctly. Every baby is different and doesn't follow a fixed routine, so be flexible and follow your baby's lead. Babies between 4 to 11 months need about 12 to 15 hours of sleep, with 2 to 3 daytime naps and about 9 to 10 hours at night. Around 4 months, many babies experience changes in baby sleep patterns, or also known as sleep regression, where they suddenly have trouble settling down for sleep or wake up fussing in the middle of the night due to changes in their sleep patterns. To manage this, keep your baby engaged and active in the day, giving them time to practice their new skills. Watch for signs of tiredness, like yawning or rubbing their eyes, so you know when they're ready for a nap. If you haven't done so, establish and maintain a consistent bedtime routine, which I will dwell further into later in the video. As your baby grows and reaches milestones like sitting, crawling, standing, and teething, sleep regression may continue during growth spurts. While these are a normal part of development, consistency in bedtime routines and sleep schedules can help manage them. Toddlers aged 1 to 2 years need about 11 to 14 hours of sleep, including naps, with regular sleep and wake times. Understanding these needs is key to establishing healthy sleep routines, which are essential for helping both parents and child get better rest. As mentioned previously, one of the best ways to help your child get the sleep they need is by establishing a consistent bedtime routine. This routine signals to your child that it's time to sleep. A soothing bedtime routine, like a warm bath followed by a bedtime story, can make a big difference. It may also be helpful to use a sleep log to track your child's sleep duration and patterns. This can give you valuable insights into your child's natural schedule and help you create regular wake and sleep routines. While routines are crucial, keeping your child active during the day is also key. Physical activity releases a substance called endorphins, which ease them into sleep and also enhance deep sleep, overall improving sleep quality. Creating a conducive sleep environment is just as necessary. Dim and quiet space with a comfortable temperature is ideal. Make sure their sleeping area is free from screens, as this will help them wind down more easily. Now, let's talk about safe sleep practices. For the first year, always put your baby to sleep on their back. Make sure their sleeping area is clear, flat, with their feet at the end of the cot, with no loose objects like blankets and soft toys around. Avoid falling asleep with your child on sofas or armchairs, and do not share a bed. You can, however, stay close to your baby by sleeping in the same room with the cot placed close to your bed. Dress your baby comfortably so they don't get too hot or too cold, and always maintain a smoke-free environment. While it's essential to ensure your child sleeps well, it's just as crucial to prioritize your own rest. Taking care of yourself will boost your energy and concentration levels, allowing you to take better care of your child. You may experience frequent night awakenings due to your baby's varying needs, such as feeding schedule, diaper changes, discomfort, illness, or simply adjusting to new sleep patterns. Although these are normal parts of caring for a newborn, you should ensure you get enough sleep too. Sleep deprivation can be overwhelming for parents, leading to challenges like reduced daytime functioning, increased stress, irritability, and anxiety. These feelings can amplify the emotional changes that often accompany the postpartum period, such as postpartum blues or depression. When you're exhausted, it becomes even harder to stay alert, which can pose safety risks for both you and your child. The lack of sleep can also make it difficult to be as responsive and patient with your child as you'd like to be, as heightened stress can take a toll on emotional regulation. We understand how tough parenting can be, especially when you're sleep deprived. That's why it's important to make time for yourself. Even just a few minutes a day can help you recharge. Manage your expectations. Parenthood is challenging, and it's perfectly okay not to be perfect. Eating a nutritious diet will help keep your energy levels up and support your overall health. Don't hesitate to involve your spouse and family. They can provide valuable support and share the load. Finally, setting yourself up for quality sleep can make a big difference. Try these tips. Nap when your baby naps if you can. Avoid caffeine and alcohol at night. And engage in calming activities like listening to relaxing music or practicing deep breathing, muscle relaxation exercises, or simple yoga stretches. By taking care of yourself, you're better equipped to be the best parent you can be. Sweet dreams to you and your little one. For more parenting tips, please visit Parent Hub. Remember, you've got this.